Storyline. The pain I ever felt comes back to haunt me every now and then. The sad stories I ever kept are leading me closer to a lion's den. The pressure that I have dealt keeps adding weight upon my strength. Am I still living life? Or am I just not living right? Even with my eyes closed, my emotions still pose. Even with the crowd, my face is always in a frown. Is this life fair? Or is it just a nightmare? Nobody seems to ever care, because nobody can ever dare to live my life as it is not a fanfare. Pills and potions roaming in my mind. Am I next in the suicidal line? Is there ever going to be a soul to remember this life of mine? Mount Nation.